Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video we are going to see how you can delete the post from your Facebook page if you're using it from the desktop browser. So we have a post right here that I want to delete. I'll just click on these three dots right here. Just click on it and it doesn't show the delete post option. So instead what I'll do is I'll go to manage post, and here you will set the time period to lifetime. Then you can see your post. So this one is this particular post, but I've run a campaign on it, so I won't delete it. Let's find another one. Let's say this one. So I'll scroll down to find this particular post. I'll select this and again click on these three dots and then click on delete post, and it will be permanently deleted from your page. Let's check it. Let's scroll down and now we can't see that post. So guys, this is how you can delete your Facebook post from the desktop browser. The options on mobile might be different. So if you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified of all the future videos. This is Saad signing off from today's video. Take care.